Hello, Linus from StruSoft here. This tip of the week will be about the impact tender quantities application, which is used when you calculate your tender projects and compare it to the workloads in your factories. So yeah, here we have the resource manager, and I'm in the workload tab. And I can see here that, yeah, for my factory, I've filtered out all the divisions and the production halls, and this is how my workload looks like. So of course, I want to fill it up here, but yeah, how do I do that easiest before I get the projects, of course? So yeah, we have another application called Impact Tender Quantities. And yeah, it's basically the same thing here, as you see. We have the workload for the same dates and so on for the same factory. But the difference here is that we can also put in tender projects. And a tender project is basically just, yeah, we create the project either here or from Product Manager, but instead of drawing all the elements and so on, we put in rows here with the quantities. So for instance, in this tender project that I have made, I will do 1200 square meters because I have the perimeter area here of sandwich walls, 600 walls, and 1000 hollow cores. And yeah, I have some different methods. I won't go into details about them, but yeah, I have two different methods of calculating the pace, the weekly pace of these. Um, so how does this work? Now I only have one project, but tender project, but of course you be able to do more at the same time. But basically, you prepare the project here, and then you go here, select it. So I have my tender one, and I refresh, and you see here that, yeah, this is the green and the gray is my workload that is planned, so fine planned and rough planned, and the other colors that I've decided here is yeah, for the tender project. So we see here that, yeah, from week number 13, it's fine because I have my red line here, which is the capacity of the factory every week. But week 11 and 12, it's a little bit too much. So yeah, how do I fix this so that I can say that, yeah, this can be produced? Yeah, let's say that I go here and, yeah, my sandwich walls. Let's say that I have yeah, a little bit of free hands here in the project offer. So now I am starting week 11. If I go back, that's the earliest I can start because, yeah, I could do some here, but it's it's this week, and yeah, it's done, not working. So I start in week 11, but maybe if I do like less every week, I can fit it, and it's just a few here. So let's say that I go to 200 square meters every week instead, and I refresh. Yeah, it was actually refreshed, but now it's under the red line, which means that, yeah, I will cost it 1 week or a few days more, but instead I will also be able to do it. So yeah, this project I could actually produce in my factory. So and yeah, it's very easy to make a realistic forecast of different tender projects. So this was just a very small introduction. So if you want to know more about this, just let me know, and I'm more than happy to schedule a session with you to go through the details. With this, I would like to wish you a nice weekend and see you soon again.